This is definitely a bone. I can't cut through it.
What is it?
It's either a bone, or it's a wax-filled something.
Oh, okay, that actually might be one of the free-floating ribs.
That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to try and cut around it. There we go. There's the liver.
All right.
And
Nice.
there's the gallbladder.
So this is the part, I think this...
Does that mean the diaphragm is up here?
Well, what is that little
The
spot
diaphragm
right
is
there?
Gallbladder.
Oh.
That's the gallbladder, that little tiny thing?
Yeah.
It's the bile.
Let's do this. Let's go a little bit more to the edge.
So what does it say to do now? Cut 3 is down the center.
Mm-hmm. It's just down and up.
Yeah. So we want to go offline, though, to the center, is what it said, right? It said like an inch offline,
Yeah.
but we want to stop at...
It's this one right
Especially since it's a boy, you have to be
So
careful.
go like 1 inch
To the side.
Yeah, to the right side of midline.
Right about here. Does it look good to you?
Yeah, that looks fine. You could, since those are separated, it might be easier to just do one layer at a time. I don't know.
It says while you're making this, pull the abdominal wall up and watch for mid-ventricle mesentery attaching to the urinary bladder to the wall.
I don't even know what the mesenteries are.
They're the arteries.
Yeah.
Okay. We actually, if you hold it like this, I could just slice.
I think you like using that scalpel,
I
don't you?
know, it works so good. Especially since we have a view of the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
So it says just stop cutting at the caudal end if we have a male, which we do. Oh, so that's way down.
We can go
All the way
basically
down.
all the way down. Oh, I just got cat juice in my arm.
Cat juice.
Well, I touched it with my forearm. So what is this? Is that just a connector?
Uh-oh.
If there's a lot of juice, you can hold the open cavities over the sink and drain it, or if it's just kind of little, you can use paper towel to soak it up, and then that way you can see better.
Those layers of the tissue just look so cool.
So that's the multi-lobe liver up there, huh?
Yep.
Up top,
There's
wow.
5 lobes.
So what are we looking for? Because we're near the
Meet the
pelvis. We're
shallow-
looking for the mesentery something or another.
Artery.
And we don't want to
Cut it.
we don't want to get near his ass there,
It's
please.
going to be attaching to the urinary bladder. So
So it'll be
Okay.
here. So I kind of want to like skin the cat. It would be so.
it said that this
Pretty
is
looking.
all based on skinned cats.
Yeah, we don't have time for that. Takes like
Okay, so just keep going.
I can see that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, is it on your
Careful
paper
when
towel?
here,
Yeah,
because we don't want to
like
get this. We don't
reddish
want
and
to
kind of clumpy,
neuter him.
coagulated blood.
Or give him a vasectomy.
And
I
then
can
this
lift
is
this
when you
part
make
up.
like the V's.
So you go.
It has
We're pretty far down. We probably can start cutting up. They want to go this way, right? Okay.
Yeah,
yeah, up
You want me to
towards
stop then?
we're getting really close. Yeah.
Because there's something. This is a change in the body cavity right here.
Yeah.
So we've already gone through the abdomen
Gone too far.
to the pelvic cavity, I think.
Yeah, we probably should have stopped
So
like
we want to
here.
right. So we want to go right here along the leg, right?
Oh, I got cat juice on my phone. Okay, we match. What's this going on?
What was that tissue called that holds the stomach in?
Is it the visceral,
Visceral
mesenteric or mucosa?
There's a fatty apron that lays across.
No, it's that whole tissue that holds all the body cavities in.
I don't know.
Hey Sally, what's the name of that that thing that I thought was fat and you said wasn't fat? That's in the abdomen. You said it was very important, and I said, well,
Oh, it has fat in it. It's the greater omentum.
greater omentum. Okay.
That's one of the things that we're supposed to find.
Okay. So this looks like right here, there's a little clear spot. That's that cavity right here. Do you see?
Yeah. Do you want the scissors?
Yeah. So there is a vein right here. I don't know if we need to preserve that or not.
Try and,
Probably.
yeah, cut around it.
Actually, the probe. You got a little probe?
Yeah.
Probe.
Yeah. That's some good stuff right there. No. So we have this layer right here. That's pretty nice, I think.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to keep that. Well,
Yeah, keep
that's
it.
probably okay right now.
I think it's an important thing.
Yeah, these hip areas are where we're supposed to cut like super thin because we want to try and keep the veins
Veins.
on.
Okay.
So
So,
that was our test side.
yeah. So, what direction now? I'll just take this again.
Hold it tight.
Actually, it would probably be okay with just.
Well, we still need to finish doing the upward cut. Sorry, and this.
It is pretty wide, isn't it?
Where is it that goes over there? Sorry, to cover the arm. Just there's so many people in the lab. It's so crowded. She goes, I'm not coming to your lab. It's so crowded.
I was
I think
afraid I was
this
going
will
to cut
actually-
you
Yeah, this actually worked better because you can tear that connective tissue without.
without
Without
worrying
hurting.
about
It's almost like it's paper.
Yeah.
It's tough, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like a really thick cobweb.
That's exactly what it's like. But I don't know if we really have time to finish this.
No, I just thought it might be easier to see this.
The veins.
Yeah, it's not really.
Well, we have to get to right here to keep this vein
Yeah.
attached.
So if you want, you can continue on that side, and
Okay.
I'll start cutting right here.
Oh yeah, is that the next cut we do?
Yeah. Would it be alright if I just started here?
What is the instructions? I don't know if they want you to go up or.
Well, she said that you get to do that. It doesn't matter, but it's still on that midline,
Hold
like
this
an
skin for me.
half an inch off the midline.
So one side?
Yeah.
And then remember that the brachial arteries are right, or like superficial.
So I'll be pretty gentle then. Do you want to do it?
No, I'm gonna pick up my video.
Okay.
Sally, how do we break the bottom of the ribs so that we can see it?
Okay, I'll help you out
That's
with that
like.
in a second.
No, with the
I'm
sharp.
gonna say how we go through.
And I had another scalpel. Let me see.